Hey guys, it's Trisha, and we have Gurnoor.
And me, Nishtay.
And we are going
Through the
secret
secret
gate.
gate.
Yeah, and we've never been here before. This is going to be so exciting. Let's go.
Let's see what's inside. I actually don't know where it is. What's inside?
Okay, so now it's like this.
Whoa.
There's plenty of bees out here.
Whoa,
This is so cool. Glad I brought my runners.
I think I see something cool.
There's so many bees.
It's open. I got the crap. Ow. Ow.
Oh my gosh. There's so many bees. And it's so creepy.
Oh, guys, come through here. I found
There's so many bees.
Look at this big grass.
There's a tunnel. Oh wow.
Oh,
And look at this. This is so fun. This is so fun. Okay, so this is how far it is. And then that's Misty and Trisha.
Yes.
Oh, look how big it is.
This is so beautiful.
I know. Look at all these flowers.
Guys, come over here.
That we can get through.
Yeah, but there's bushes.
There's so many bushes. There's so many bees. Trisha, can we go back home through this way?
Yeah.
Really?
No, because
This feels so fun.
it's so cool.
It feels like Sylvan Hall.
This side. Yeah, that's our local park. This is our local park. That's our house. So this is a shortcut to everywhere.
There's so many bees here.
Yeah, this is so.
This is so exciting.
Come here. Look, I got an entryway.
Wait, there's so many bees. Guys, get us out of here.
Okay, there's
So many bees.
There's so many bees.
Are we lost?
There. Okay, there's some wasps there.
This is so creepy.
No, it's not.
Like, not creepy, but it feels like Sylvan Hall, right, Trisha? But there's so many bee thingies.
It's okay, they won't hurt you. Let's go through here.
No, there's so many bee things. Did you check? There's bee things.
Come on, look, there's fake grass.
There's fake grass.
Yeah,
Cool.
like at our house. We have never seen this gross fake grass before. And
Whoa.
it has real dirt.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, this feels so crunchy.
Oh my gosh, it feels like there's things on me.
Hey, I see a bucket.
You see a bucket?
Yeah, it's green. Oh.
I wish I wore my jacket so then if someone tried to sting me or something.
Okay,
This is so scary. Like, not scary.
half-eaten golf ball. Whoa. Maybe it's a golf ball the raccoon took the other day.
Oh,
Guys, the raccoon took a golf ball the other day, and I think it's this one. It's half-eaten. Ew, I shouldn't touch it anyway. It's so good. Yeah, like a bucket full of
Ow.
rocks. Rocks.
yeah. A bucket full of rocks. My, what a sight.
Look, a big pile.
Of sticks.
Jinx.
I don't believe in jinx. Okay.
Oh my god. This is so satisfying.
I know, and it's so pokey.
And dirt. Whoa.
I'm glad I brought my cap.
Look, I see a big rock over there.
What rock?
There's a big rock. Yeah. Looks like we're on a. Wait, guys.
There's
Right there. You want to never go back home ever?
No, I want to.
Oh, that's such a big.
But I can't sleep here. It's so uncomfortable.
I know, there's bees. That's pokey.
It's so pokey. Oh, look, there's duct tape on this, and it's green.
Oh,
You think
cool.
somebody's been here before?
Comment down below if you think someone's been here before.
And comment down below if you guys think you guys live in Canada and you've been here before.
This is where Trisha and Niste live. So if you've been here before, then you're famous.
Yeah, and Bob and Gurnoor.
And
Not them. I actually don't know them. Why don't?
okay, let's see. Here it's very
so much garbage over here. There's so much garbage.
and the green scenery matches my green tattoo.
Yeah,
Whoa.
it's like nature.
And that's Trisha with beautiful earrings.
And
me,
me,
Niste.
Guys, look at the print on this. Screenshot this print. It's so cool.
I know. Wait, there's a print?
Yeah, look at this print.
I didn't know that's a print.
It looks like a print.
Screenshot it and comment down below if you guys think that's a print.
Yeah. There's so many lords.
And comment down below if you think we'll be safe.
Wait, can I see the camera?
See?
Whoa.
Whoa, this is so fun. It's so satisfying. Ah!
I see
There's a
birds.
bee. There's a bird.
Yeah.
But guys, please do not touch birds' feathers. Birds' feathers causes diseases.
Yeah. And guys. Wait, what do they cause?
Diseases.
What do diseases mean?
Diseases.
What does the diseases mean?
Diseases means like some sort of like,
Whoa.
I don't know how to explain it. Guys, tell Niste and comment down below what
I found
diseases
the
mean,
knife.
because it's sort of hard to
I
explain.
found the black plastic knife.
Black plastic knife?
Yeah.
Really? Okay, Niste. Okay, see, there's a black plastic
Yeah,
knife.
but don't touch it because coronavirus. But guys, stay safe and do not do this at home. Because this is very dangerous what we're doing right now.
Yeah.
Try this at home.
We had...
Guys, come here.
Wait, how did you get there?
Wait, that is a secret entrance. Guys, come here.
Guys, do not come and do not come here and do not do anything like this. This is so dangerous. Oh my gosh, this is so dangerous and this is so fun.
Look at this piece of black. I think this was on fire. Guys,
Me too.
oh look, there's some blackberries, but
Don't eat them.
yeah. I think this one's on fire, but it's so clean. Let's go through here.
I'm not sure, guys. Do you think it'll lead to somewhere?
It's a pathway and there's a drain right there. So
I think it's back where we were before, like earlier, when we were in that huge field.
guys, comment down below if we should go here, and I'll read your comments if we should go through here or not. Okay.
There's a drain here. Good thing I didn't step on it.
Okay, there's so many leaves here. Oh, I think that's
Oh my
our
gosh,
neighbor's
that's
house.
someone's house.
That's our neighbor's house. Oh. Okay, guys, let's not go that far. Wait, I think
This.
Oh,
Oh my gosh! Why back?
Yeah,
We should explore.
Never try this at home.
Yeah, never try this.
Yeah, you might get lost.
But since this is Trisha's house, she can lead us the way.
Yeah, because I know the way.
And since Nishay's young.
Yeah, I know. I still know the way.
Okay, good. But guys, don't you think we should explore the park?
Sure.
Come on. The park is so beautiful.
Hopefully we remember the way. Guys, I think I heard a bark.
That's probably the neighbor's dog or something.
Yeah, our neighbors have dog. Okay, guys, I think this is somebody's private property. But it's not. Probably not.
I think so too. Guys, comment down below if you think this is someone's private property.
Oh, look, there's another forest.
Oh!
Okay, guys, this is so cool.
I know, but never try this at home. Once again, never try this at
It
home.
looks like white leaves at the back, but actually they're green leaves at the front.
Yeah, look.
It looks so cool.
Okay. And guys, never try this at home again because there could be thorns. We are safe though because this is just Trisha's house.
Look, I found a drain.
We already saw this drain.
Yeah, but I wanted to point it out again.
Yeah.
Cool drain.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, and guys, this is so fun.
I know.
Yeah, like we look like we're like explorers. Guys,
Yeah.
in the next video, which is gonna be this today, it's gonna be part 2 of this. Part 2 of this nature walk. Make sure you guys subscribe because we're going to go on another pathway. So
We're gonna see another path.
yeah, we're gonna find 2 more pathways. If you did, hit that like button, and we
We'll see you next time.
Goodbye.
See you next time.
And in part 2.
Yeah. Part 2.
Bye.